On a cold Wednesday morning, Ben spilled coffee on a stranger's coat. It happened so fast. He was rushing through the crowded subway platform, holding a paper cup in one hand and trying to check his phone with the other. One small bump, and the cup tilted, the lid popped off, and hot brown liquid splashed onto someone's sleeve. The woman turned around sharply. Her coat was light gray. Now it had a big coffee-colored stain on the arm. Ben froze for a moment. Then, without even thinking, he blurted out, "Oh my God, I'm so sorry." She looked annoyed, but not furious. "Seriously?" Ben nodded quickly. "I wasn't looking. That was completely my fault. Let me pay for the cleaning and or—" She waved a hand. "It's okay. Just be careful next time." And that was it. She walked away, and Ben stood there, heart pounding, thinking, well, at least I said sorry properly. Later that day, he told his friend Jenny about the incident. "It was embarrassing," he said, "but you apologized, right?" "Yeah, immediately. I didn't try to explain or make excuses. I just said it was my fault." "That's the best way," Jenny said. "Most people don't want a long story. They just want to hear that you recognize what happened." Ben nodded, and then he asked, "Do you think I sounded natural, though? Like, was it real English?" Jenny laughed. "You did fine. But if you want to learn more ways to say sorry, I can help." And so she did. Jenny pulled out a napkin and wrote down a few examples. "I'm really sorry about that. That was my fault. I didn't mean to. Are you okay?" "I'll make it right." Ben looked at the napkin and smiled. "Can I keep this?" "Please do. You never know when you'll bump into someone again. Literally." The next day at work, Ben found himself needing those phrases again. This time, it wasn't coffee. It was email. He had sent a document to a client without double-checking it. The file was incomplete, and the client responded within minutes. "This file seems to be missing several pages. Please check." Ben felt that familiar sinking feeling. He replied right away. "Hi, Sarah. I'm really sorry about that. It was my mistake. I've attached the full version now. Please let me know if anything's still missing." She responded quickly. "Thanks, got it." No drama, no anger, just professional communication. Ben realized something. Saying sorry the right way in English wasn't just about words. It was about tone, timing, and taking responsibility. Over the weekend, Ben decided to practice even more. He opened a blank document and started writing out imaginary situations where he might need to apologize. He was late for a meeting. He accidentally interrupted someone. He forgot to reply to a message. He stepped on someone's foot. He gave the wrong directions. For each one, he wrote a few natural responses. "Sorry I'm late. The train was delayed." "Oh, sorry. Go ahead. I didn't mean to interrupt." "I just saw your message. Sorry for the late reply." "Oops, I'm so sorry. Are you okay?" "I gave you the wrong street name. My mistake." He even practiced saying them out loud, using different tones: casual, professional, serious. A week later, at the gym, Ben was waiting for a machine when someone cut in front of him. He raised his hand slightly and said, "Hey, I think I was next." The other person looked up, surprised. "Oh man, I didn't see you there. I'm really sorry. Go ahead." Ben nodded. "No worries." And he smiled. Because now he could recognize not just how to say sorry, but how to receive it too. One evening, Ben's friend group had a small get-together. There was music, snacks, games. Everyone was having a good time until someone made an awkward joke that offended another guest. The room went quiet for a moment. The person who made the joke stood up and said, "Hey, I realize that probably didn't come out right. I'm sorry if I made anyone uncomfortable." That one sentence changed the atmosphere immediately. People nodded. Someone said, "Thanks for saying that," and the conversation moved on. Ben thought, that's it. That's how you do it. By now, Ben had created his own mini rule book for apologies in English. Not formal grammar rules, just guidelines for real situations. Be direct. Start with, "I'm sorry," or "My mistake." Don't over-explain. One clear sentence is better than 5 nervous ones. Offer to fix it if you can. Watch your tone. Calm and respectful always works. Be sincere. Don't try to sound perfect. Just be real. In any language, learning how to say "I'm sorry" is more than a grammar point. It's part of being human. And in English, the key to a good apology is clarity, kindness, and courage. So, next time something goes wrong, big or small, try saying, "That was my fault. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Let me fix it if I can. I appreciate your patience." You'll not only improve your English, you'll build trust, connection, and confidence. Practice out loud, try different styles, and soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.